Hi friends, I'm gonna record over this. I'm not really sure if you'll be able to hear it or not, but Michael played an orchestra on Monday night in the middle of an ice storm. They played Picado, the first couple songs. My hand completely locked up this afternoon. Was like this for at least a couple minutes that I couldn't move it. And the following clip is just our blizzard. South Dakota is pretty much shut down right now. If you listen real closely to the audio, you might be able to hear the wind and the windows shake. I'll do a little bit of an audio here just to let you guys know what's going on, but otherwise, enjoy the snow and the blizzard and the wind. If you look on South Dakota highway cameras, you will be able to see all the different areas of snow. North Dakota also, but I guess Deadwood got 24 inches. So just a little bit of snow here for us. They did call off school already tomorrow, which is Friday the 16th, I do believe. Donnie, well, okay, so Sunday I knew that Daisy was getting sick. She slept most of the afternoon, which is unusual because the kids are always playing. And so I figured, okay, here comes something. And she slept almost most of Sunday. And then we did have school on Monday, but we kept her home, and then Jacob decided to stay home. Not really sure if he was sick or not, but by Monday night, or Monday afternoon, Connor had slept, and then Connor slept almost all day Tuesday. I had started to feel, by Monday night, I had started to feel kind of, icky, but I really wasn't paying attention. I have allergies anyway, and I usually just take an allergy pill in the morning, and it clears itself up. I did notice while on auction on Sunday night that I was sneezing, which is unusual, and I'm like, oh, come on. But anyway, Donnie and I both started not feeling good. We saw Connor and knew he wasn't feeling good. I'm like, okay, but we sent the other two kids to school. There was a 2-hour delay. I think it was Tuesday morning. Yeah, one of those mornings. And so I took him to school. But I did test Connor, and he does have COVID. But he bounced right back, you guys. Like, he's feeling just fine. He's a little tired, but other than that, he bounced right back. Like, and so did Daisy. Daisy was bouncing off the walls last night, running around, playing like she just had a normal cold. So maybe it's a quick in and out. I don't know. You can obviously tell in my voice that there's some head cold going on, but Donnie has got aches and pains and just in the joints. I think that's the only reason that we tested at all was because of the joint pain. You just hurt, but this time around, for sure, the coughing is not nearly as bad as it was at all. Like, before, I would have been dying by now. Like, I couldn't breathe. We couldn't, we were coughing to the point where, adult diapers would have been helpful. But yeah, so that's what's going on over here. I don't know what we're going to do. We got to go out tomorrow and get groceries because we're out of groceries. It's payday Friday. So, and he has off tomorrow. Get groceries and bundle up, because if you look at South Dakota's weather, if you pay attention to the weather reports at all, it's the cold blast is coming. So -5 degrees, -10 degrees plus wind chill. It's going to get super cold, and that is no fun. So things I don't like about the winter are the freezing rain and the below zero weather. I can handle anything 0 to 30 and above, but it's when it's -10, -20 with wind chill, that's when it's really bitter. It's hard to breathe. Your breath freezes inside your lungs. I mean, it gets dangerous real quick. So I'm praying for all those people that got hit by the tornadoes. I know there's a couple people on our auction community that have been hit, so my prayers are out with you and anybody that's in the path of this snowstorm, winter storm, tornado storms. Just keep safe, and hopefully your power stays on. That's another thing to worry about with the freezing rain and the weight of the ice on the lines, especially with the wind. It can cause them to crack or break. There's a lot of people without power, but Sioux Falls as a city is pretty good at cleaning up pretty quickly and getting us back on the roads. We do have, like I said, no school tomorrow, but that's mainly because we're supposed to have wind from now until I think it was like 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, or maybe 1 a.m. tomorrow night. I can't remember what I read, but it's supposed to be really, really windy, high gusts. So there, with this light snow that we just got in, it's going to blow, and it's not going to stop blowing. You can kind of see if you, I'll try to zoom in here a little bit, and you can see the snow. It just keeps blowing and blowing, which will cause drifts and different things. If you're not familiar with how snow piles up, it'll drift into every nook and cranny it can find, and becomes pretty deep and pretty hard actually. But not working on anything other than just keeping the house running, and I try to do a couple invoices, but my goal tomorrow will be to get grocery shopping done, at least get us some food, even if we have to order out, I guess, if we're not able to go out, and try to get some packages out to you guys. I know that I did some invoicing and packages need to go out, so I hope you guys are staying well. Take care of each other, be kind to one another, and happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Love you guys.